What's up, guys? We are back here in the city, man. We are about to do something a little different today, man. I'm about to link up with some of the homies with the Jeeps. The other homie, he got a Raptor. I don't know if a couple more people might come out today. You know, it's not the weekend anymore, so a lot of people got stuff to do, man. But trying to get something in. I haven't been off-roading like this before. I don't even know where we're going. This is my boy's spot that he's taking us to, so let's see what happens today, man. Hopefully we don't do what we did previously. I'm not even gonna say it or jinx nothing, but stay tuned and let's get this day started. Just got to the city, linked up with one of the homies, and I ain't linked up with bro since like freaking high school. We got the Jeep on deck. We about to go off-roading a little bit, man. Hopefully, you know, we don't flip, we don't do nothing crazy. About to gas up, because you know we're gonna have to use that four-wheel drive. It uses a lot more gas than what it is, man. What's up, man? Man, I ain't seen you since high school, man. It's good, man. Man, getting it in, man. Fucking, I ain't seen a homie since high school, man. So you know we about to go up today, man. About to have a little fun. So let's gas these things up and then and get on the road. Then the homie is gonna bring the other Raptor out, man. So it's gonna be looking pretty cool today. We're gonna have a good old time, man. All right, they got us going over here off Route 138. Let's see where we go, man. All right. So, there ain't no turning back, y'all. This is the last step. The last step before I could turn back, man. You think I'm gonna be good or what? Man, I ain't trying to break nada, but I was trying to have some fun, man. Last time, it didn't go so well. But this is an actual, like, trail, I guess. So, I'm gonna try to get my GoPro set up for y'all, and we're gonna hit it, man. Gonna hit it, dog. Yeah. No target shooting, street level vehicles only. Damn. Some big ass craters in this road, boy. Yeah, that was a big old hole right there, boy. Damn. Oh. Hey, I'm a giant. Dang. I feel like a real freaking white boy right now. Riding in the mud of living, in the back roads. Montana. Gee, look at this thing, man. We up here in literally the middle of nowhere right now. This is just like, you feel me, just the beginning. This ain't even nothing. But we out here right now, in the freaking wilderness. Oh, dang. Quiet as heck up here, nice little mountains. Big wraps and all that. Yeah, we waiting for the other homie to pull up in a Raptor, and then we gonna get cracking. But that was a cool little hill to come up, man. I can dig it. You feel me, man? We literally then went up the whole mountain and came back down. The other Raptor about to pull up. He gonna get a rude awakening if he ain't off-roaded before, because I know I surely did, boy. But this shit, I ain't gonna hold you. It's something different, but it's fun as heck. Got this thing dirty. You feel me? We gonna see, man. We gonna see. So far, so good. So far, so good, man. Feel me? Y'all see another rap gang? Okay. You feel me? I'm digging it. This was the scariest part when we was coming up. Now it's 3 of us slipping and sliding. Oh my God. Oh, let's not run off the cliff. Oh, sitting sideways though. Damn. Oh, that joint ain't no joke. The heck. Damn. All right, man. Let me focus, man. Let me focus, man. Oh fuck. Oh, sheesh. That motherfucker, boy. Look at that joint, though. Out here, back-to-back slide. We done got one of the little trails in. I think the homie about to try to drive his Jeep up here. It's a big-ass fucking dog. That is crazy. Let's see it. Let's see, it's kind of windy up here. go ahead and go up a little bit. Ooh, look at the flex. Okay. I can dig it. Let's see what we got. Hold up. Oops. That nigga really made it, no issues. That's crazy. Got another Jeep pulling up. Hey man, hit the hill. Hit the hill for me, man. Hit the hill for me, man. I want to get some footage. You look like you know what you're doing, man. I need that. Let's see. That's a huge hill, man. Let's see. Damn. Like you knew what you was doing, man. There it is. Dang, that's a huge hill, man. Damn. Oh yeah, it's easy now. Good shit, man. That's dope. And I just looked at this like, heck no, there's no way. Dudes is really doing it with ease. Now that we got some off-roading out the way, big Raptor gang sliding back to the city. You see what's going on, man. Back to back in them raps. But yeah, man, you see what's going on, man. Now it's time to head up to the shop. See if we can get some stuff done on our bike. I don't know, maybe we can take it today, I don't know. And we done finished up off-roading for the day. Now it's time to get into this bike action, see what's going on. Probably about to go help my dog load his bike up, take it to get the last final corks and screws turned and tilted. And we gonna be on these things, man. But I'm waiting literally on a couple parts. I do wanna ride it, but I don't wanna rush it. So, I mean, we'll just see how it comes out. But if the homie start his bike and mine is able to go up, I'll definitely be right there. So, let's get over here and get going. Alrighty, man. Just made it to the shop, man. He got his all figured out. Got it going. Got the freaking leg warmers on here. You know, before we left, it was all in pieces, ready to go on. But now it's all together. Looking A1. Just ooh-wee. Just take a step back. You guys just see the joint real quick. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. About to load this thing up, get it to its next quick destination, and then be back here shortly. We can take a quick look at Bay. Man. I know a bunch of y'all was in the comments like, bro, but it doesn't match. It's like a different blue. Bro, if you guys didn't powder coat anything on your bike or anything in general and then try to get some paint, you probably wouldn't understand. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's my bike and I like it. I like it a lot, actually. It was kind of an issue for me at first, but it grew on me and I'm really loving it because I know as soon as I pull it out in the sun, it's going to be flowing. You guys are thinking this was white. This is not a white frame. It's like a chalk gray, but I guess you can call it white. Pretty much stainless steel colored wheels, so pretty cool there. I mean, I'm digging it, man. That's all that matters. That's all that matters, man. Couple little things we waiting for in the mail for this one, but gonna get it going here pretty soon, man. Just waiting on the little stuff, but can't wait to get that thing up and running. But we about to load bro's bike up right now and get it going, dog. Alrighty, man, next day here, and I'm looking rough as heck. So let me get this haircut real quick and I'll get right back to you. Ooh, We got lead. That boy JD went hard. Oh, I'm fly again, man. You know what that mean? The bike should almost be done because I told you I wasn't getting a haircut until it was. But ooh, I'm sliding the black wrap. But man, check this out, dog. Check it out. Look how dirty this thing is. Man, literally, like I told y'all, when I'm on the road and stuff, man, I gotta have some seeds and stuff. Because most of the time when I'm on the road, it'd be a long time. So sunflower seeds help the time go by. But godly, they leave a huge mess. You got your coffee, food, all type of stuff, man. So I gotta go get this thing cleaned up, man, because I can't ride like this. And then we went off-roading yesterday, so the car is literally still dirty, dog. I can't, y'all know I don't ride my Raptor like that, man. I gotta go get this thing shined up and clean, man. Look at all this dirt on here just sitting. I can't deal. So we back in the wrap, about to go to the trap. Man, I done went back to the house, hopped on the bike. Freaking the battery then died. I didn't try to have my girl bring my jumper cables. Battery's just too dead, or the jumper box is just, I haven't charged in like a few weeks. So the jumper box is too low. So I'm like, dude, I'm tired of dealing with that. Just went and grabbed another battery, so I'm gonna swap that out, and then we should be back on the road. All right, man. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the bike back started even with the new battery. So gonna fish this new battery out, take that back, get my $162 back. Right after we take this thing up to BBV, drop it off, and have them do everything to it. Now we brought our wheel, our enforcer wheel, so we're gonna have them throw that on there, change all the fluids out and everything once they get it started again. So let's hop in the truck and get to BBV real quick. Let's get that thing done. Alrighty, just made it to BBV. Our joint is not starting, but we are on our last little tie down. So let's unhook this and get this bike down, fish this battery out, and drop it off. Are you able to let me know if there's a cam or something in here? Because this bike has a wave tuner on it. Somebody was like, nobody would just put some headers in a wave tuner if it's not like cam. Most people wouldn't, rather.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't.
So, I mean, I know. All right, bet. So we about to check and see if there's a cam in here really, really quick. But we up here at BBV, man, about to get cracking. See, they got the bikes lined up, getting going, all the hogs and everything. So we're gonna try to get this thing going, man. Oh man, I thought the freaking black bike was done. Guess we really needed to come do what we needed to do. We might have some issues with our fuel pump or something, so we're gonna check that out. But in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Got the big wrap in the back, still sliding, all that, man. But that's probably gonna be a wrap for the day, man. We did a lot. Tried to get some stuff done. I tried to get my truck cleaned up, still didn't get that thing washed up, man. So that will probably have to wait until tomorrow, man. So with that being said, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.